Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our school podcast. Let's talk about life. I'm Jake.
And I'm Sue. Hi, friends. Thank you for joining us today. We're here in our school studio, and we have a big topic.
Yes, today we're going to talk about something everyone thinks about, the future.
The future? Oh, it sounds so big and far away.
Yes, it can feel big, but don't worry. Today we'll go step by step, very slowly and clearly to learn how to plan for the future.
And we'll also learn some useful English words together.
That's right. So get your notebook ready or just listen carefully because this is going to be fun.
Jake, when you were a child, what did you dream about?
When I was a child, I wanted to be a pilot. I wanted to fly in the sky.
Wow, that's amazing. So your dream was to fly.
Yes, but later I found out that I love helping people learn. So now my dream is to be a teacher.
That's so nice. I think teaching is beautiful.
Thank you, Sue. What about you? What is your dream?
I want to be a designer. I love drawing clothes, choosing colors, and making new styles.
Oh, I can see that. You're always drawing in your notebook.
Yes, I like drawing in class sometimes.
That's great, Sue. So, step one to plan your future is to dream.
Dream. That's an easy and beautiful word. Everyone, can you say it?
Dream.
Slowly. A dream is something we want in the future.
For example, my dream is to be a teacher. Sue's dream is to be a designer. What about you, listeners?
You can say your dream out loud. Try it.
Good job! Remember, every dream is important, big or small.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I have a dream. My dream is to be a doctor. My dream is to be a singer. My dream is to be happy.
That's a nice one, to be happy.
Yes, happiness is a good dream too.
So remember, step one, dream. Now, let's move to step two, make a plan.
Jake, what is a plan?
A plan is a way to get to your dream, like a map that helps you find your way.
Oh, like a map to our future?
Exactly. For example, if my dream is to be a teacher, I need to study English, learn how to teach, and practice speaking clearly.
Yes, if my dream is to be a designer, I need to study fashion, draw every day, and maybe learn how to sew.
That's a great plan, Sue.
Making a plan helps us move closer to our dream step by step.
You got it.
Let's say the word again. Plan.
Plan. Let's make sentences. I have a plan. My plan is to study hard. My plan is to save money. My plan is to travel next year.
That's good. Everyone, say one sentence about your plan.
Nice work. Remember, every plan starts small.
So, Jake, do you remember the time you planned to learn guitar?
Oh yes, I made a plan. I will practice 30 minutes every day. But I didn't follow my plan.
Why not?
I got lazy. But that taught me something. A plan only works if we do it.
Yes, that's true. A plan without action is just a dream.
Now we are ready for step 3. Take action.
Smiling. Action means do something, right?
Exactly. Don't just think, start doing.
For example, I can start drawing new designs today.
And I can read a book about teaching today.
Everyone, think about your small action for today. What can you do to start your dream?
Good. It can be a small step, but small steps make a big journey.
Let's say it together. Action.
Action.
Rocket.
Repeat after us. Take action now.
I will take action today.
Action is important.
Good job. I love this word. Action. It feels strong.
Yes, it gives power.
Let's play a small game. I'll say a dream and you tell me one action.
Okay.
If my dream is to be a singer, what's one action?
Practice singing every day.
Yes, and if my dream is to be a teacher?
Study hard and help friends learn.
Perfect.
Your turn, listeners. If your dream is to be a chef, what can you do?
Great answers, I'm sure. Sometimes I feel scared about the future, Jake.
That's normal, Sue. We all feel scared sometimes.
What if I can't reach my dream?
Then try again. The key is to stay positive, to believe in yourself.
Positive? That means to be happy and not give up, right?
Exactly. When you stay positive, you have more energy to move forward.
That's true. I feel better when I think good thoughts.
So, step 4 is stay positive.
Stay positive. Repeat after us. Be positive. I feel positive today. Positive people smile a lot.
Yes, let's all smile right now. I remember my friend Lisa. She wanted to be a nurse, but her exam was hard. She failed one time.
Oh no.
But she stayed positive. She studied again and passed the next time.
Wow, that's amazing.
So remember, mistakes are not the end. They are part of the plan.
So remember, that's a great lesson.
Let's review what we learned today.
Step 1, dream.
Step 2, plan.
Step 3, action.
Step 4, stay positive.
Dream, plan, action, positive. Now let's make your own future plan.
Think about your dream.
Make a plan.
Take one action today.
And remember, stay positive.
Your future is not far. It starts today.
Yes, even one small step can change your tomorrow.
So believe in yourself, work hard, and never stop dreaming.
Because dreams make life beautiful.
Well said, Sue.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to our podcast today.
We hope you learned something useful and fun.
Let's say our 4 words one more time together. Ready? Dream, plan, action, positive.
Great! Keep your dreams alive.
And keep smiling.
See you next time. Bye!